mango, graham, ice cream. Like and comment. Don't forget to follow at My Specialty Recipe. Subscribe now. Slice the mangoes into small cubes and scrape. Use glass to scrape the mango. Comment your location to know where my video got to. Take the remaining pulp from the mango seeds. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to watch more. Grind the mango using spoon. You can use a blender to grind well. At My Specialty Recipe, follow now. Chilled overnight 2-in-1 creme soda. Whisk until it doubles in volume. Subscribe to watch more. At My Specialty Recipe, follow now. Mango puree. Whip until well combined. Comment your location to know where my video got to. Mango cubes. Cut the graham crackers into pieces. Crushed graham crackers. Mix well. Transfer to a container of your choice. Put crushed graham on top. Mango cubes. Repeat the process. Like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Freeze overnight or at least 6 hours. Serve in a bowl, cup, or ice cream cone. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. At My Specialty Recipe, follow now. Thanks for watching. At My Specialty Recipe. Comment your favorite ice cream. Subscribe to watch more. Enjoy. Dios Mabalos.